Wow. I'm being shot. I don't know where I'm being shot from, but I'm being shot. What? What did I do? What did I do? Oh my gosh. No! What are you doing, Jake? Why are you videotaping this? You're videotaping me play with this new iPod you got. You got the fourth one. Did you get the fifth one?
Because then I can watch TV of you dying.
He's only 6. Oh wow, I wasn't paying attention, I died.
What time is it?
I don't know. Ask Jacob, he has the thing.
Hmm?
Ask Jacob, he has his thing.
Dang. Josh.
What? What? It is 10:30. Jacob, what name do you like better?
I gotta go get
Will
your dad. Clean
or
up this right here now.
Trevor?
What?
What name do you like better, Jacob? Trevor or Woo?
Go get trash out now. Jakey, get your boots and I'll go get your dad. He's gonna be pissed.
Jacob,
I
which one do you
Trevor.
like better? He likes Trevor better, he said.
Turn that off now. I'll turn it off myself. Jamie, the trash out now.
Okay, I will.
No, I need it done before I get home.
Jacob, stop videotaping and do what you're supposed to do, Jake. Seriously. You haven't met him yet. What?
Trash needs to be done in 5 minutes.
Alright, I'm going.
All of it before your dad comes to the street.
Man, I did bad. I think I died last. No, I didn't. I died before that. Yeah, I saw you. Yeah. Jacob, it's done.
Huh?
It's done.
Wait.
Hurry up.